Okay, in this last video, we're going to finish up the ITS327 assignment 2, and we are going to finish the third part here, which is to create the sign-up page. And so let's see what our website looks like right now. Let's go to websites, Richard H. and assignments, and Lee's landscapes looks like this. We finished the Tell Richard About You page last time, and so now we are going to add a third sign up page here. So let's open up our folder, and let's start with our template. I'm going to open that with Notepad, and I'm going to save this as what do I name it now? Lee sign up. And the title should be Lee's Landscape Sign Up. Actually, it's this. Copy. And put that here. I'm going to put that here. And I'll put this and I'm going to add a menu item. Let me make this look a little nicer. Add a menu item here. Let's see. How's that? And this really should be placed on all the other pages as well. So let me copy this. Copy. And let me open this up and let's go this. Put here. And I should also put it here. Okay, save this, close it, and save this and close it. And let's continue on here. Let's go to our Greg's Tales page and copy the JavaScript. Right click, view page source, and I'm going to copy this JavaScript, copy, and then I'm going to go over to our page here, and I'm going to sign up, and so I will copy the JavaScript right here. And then I'm going to go back to Greg's Tales, and I'm going to copy the content div, which is this one. And so I will copy, and then go back to here and replace this content right here. Paste. And we see this server. And we can leave the name the same, that's okay. Let's copy this down and see what it looks like. Save this. And I'm going to go to FileZilla, open that up, and sign in. Password, connect. And let me go into my public HTML and go into assignments. And really I can just copy this leaf folder right over here. So I'll do that. And overwrite, 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 overwrite. That's the picture. And now that that's done, I can go back to my website and refresh. And did this work out? No, this link is wrong. So I need to fix that. Open this up, and we're probably wrong on all 3 pages, so let me open them up, and this should be what did I name it? SignUp? SignUp. So let me copy this. Copy. And let me go to this one and do a paste here. And save this. Save this. And I should also update this one. And I want to save, paste this here, and save this. And let me go back to FileZilla and take this and open this folder. And let me copy this. Okay. I'm doing this the slow way. I copy both of these at the same time. Okay. Okay. And now let me refresh this. And we should see that this goes to the new one, and the links all work. Okay, and so what does this look like now? We click on this and it goes through a dialog here. Boy or girl, let's say boy. the hero's name. Let's say it's Batman, and let's say the name of the city is Honolulu, and let's say that the type of monster is Cookie, and let's say that the food you like hot dogs, and what kind of drink do I like? Fruit punch. And I click OK, and it tells a nice story here. Once upon a time, 5 years ago, there was a boy, Batman, Honolulu, and a cookie monster sitting and eating hot dogs. And Batman, and so there are 3. So this is the story that it tells when you type in answer the sequence of questions. In our case, our sequence of questions is not going to be a story, it's going to be precisely these questions. And after we've entered in these questions, we're going to display out a nice table that has this information in it. So, let's begin to modify our JavaScript to ask these questions instead. So let's go back to our code, and we want to look at SignUp, and let's go up to our JavaScript, and let's we can get rid of these, and let's ask for a name. I'm gonna put a var in front of that. A name, a street address, and a city, a state, a zip code, a phone number, and an email address. So this is going to be a city, and this is going to be a state, and this is going to be a zip code, and I'm just going to ask for one phone number, and this is the email address. And so please enter your name, and please what is your enter your street address, enter your city, enter your state, enter your zip code, enter your phone number, and enter your email address. And let's see, I don't need any of this at all. And basically now I'm going to display out a message, and it's going to be a table. So I'm going to say var message equals table, and let's see, message equals appending tr td style equals width colon 100 pixels, name, and cell, begin cell. Let's set the style width of 600 pixels. And here I would like to put the name. And this is going to be the end TT tag. And the end table row tag. And let's see, is this right? Yes. So this is the name. And when I'm done with this, I want to set this equal to MSG. Let's see, I gotta close this off. And this goes here. And this is the first row. I need to include the street address, the phone number, and the email address. And then I need to end the table. Let's see. So this is the address, and this is the phone number, and this is the email. This is the email. This is the phone. And this is the address. And so this is going to be the street address plus a break. Let's see. Plus a break, plus the city, plus a comma and a space, plus the state, plus a space, plus the zip code. And I believe that is the address. And so, let's see, address is the street address plus a break plus the city plus the state plus the zip code. Okay, so let's, and we're writing it when we're done, and this may work. So let's save this, and let's go to FileZilla, and let's go to our File Manager, and let's click on the SignUp page. Let's copy it down here, and minimize this, click OK, and it looks like it's transferred over. Let's look at our web page. Go here, this is the SignUp page. Let's refresh this, and this appears. Let's type in our name, enter, address, enter, Honolulu, Hawaii 96825. Phone number is 808-555-222. And my email address is richardh@hawaii.edu. And I click OK, and look, it appears like this. Now there's one more thing we need to add, and that is we want to check to make sure that they enter in the email address correctly, so we're going to ask for it twice. And so let's add that in here. Let's add, copy this and repeat this. And call this email 2. And enter your email address again. And here I will check if email is not equal to email 2, then we want to say var msg equals your email address was not entered correctly. Please start again. Else and this is where we want this, and let's put this back here, and let's put a semicolon here and close this. So if, I guess we usually do it this way, huh? Okay, so if email 1 is not equal to email 2, then we will display out this message: your email address was not entered correctly, please start again. And otherwise, we will say, we will create a table. We will create a table that displays the name, address, and the phone number. And let's do this right. Okay, that's the end of the table. And that looks, oh, where's the email address? Something happened and we must have deleted the email address, so let's just put that back in. Email, and this is email. Okay, I don't know what happened there, but okay, let's save this, and let's go back to FileZilla, and let's go back to, excuse me, here, and let's copy this down, and we click OK, and we can go back to our website, and click here, and refresh this, and now when we begin, we realize there's an error here, so let's bring this back here, and we realize that we forgot to, we left off a ending quote here. And so let's try this again. Replace it. Bring the website back up. Refresh this. Try this again, and now it seems to work. Richard Halverson. Okay. 1180 Mokupano Street. Okay. Honolulu. Okay. Hawaii. Okay. 96825. Okay. 808-555-1212. Okay. Richard H at hawaii.edu. Okay. And now let's type it in wrong. Richard at hawaii.edu, and it says your email address was not entered correctly. Please start again. Let's see. I need to refresh this to start again. Let's click to start again. Quickly here. And we've typed them in correctly this time. The same. Click OK. And we see what is displayed here is a nice table. And it looks like it works. That's great. Thank you. Yes.